looks like an Acela.
It is.
Oh my goodness.
See if we can get you a blow.
Yeah. Woo! All right, you ready?
Yep. He had 8 cars.
Wow. Oh man. There we go. You ready?
Yeah, wait a minute. Wait till we get to this next pole. Ricky, he ain't in it that fast though.
No, he isn't.
I'll go. I feel it.
You think so?
Yeah, I'm giving it to him now.
All right. Hopefully you're right. Ready? That was the best one.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, HP8.
Let's see if we can get him.
I think it's an Acela.
Yeah, let's.
Think so. You ready?
The sun's glancing off. That's what I saw.
You ready?
Yeah. Let's start getting me now. Come on, baby, roll. Yeah!
Woo!
He's not going fast though, Rick.
No, he isn't.
The train's before him. That other one before him's trying to get out the way.